Hello, I'm Kevin Butler, and I really appreciate the opportunity to talk to you about computer science at the University of Florida and about the computer security program. I'm an associate professor in computer and information science and engineering. I also hold the Arnold and Lisa Goldberg Rising Star Endowed Professorship, which I'm very fortunate to have. I'm also the associate director for the Florida Institute for Cybersecurity Research. This means I spend a lot of my day thinking about computer security. And I'm very privileged to do that because, in my own opinion, security is one of the most fascinating topics in all of computer science, if not all of academia. There's a lot of very technical concepts that are part of what we do in computer security. And there's a lot of very specialized knowledge. But by the same token, there's a lot of foundational issues that come into play when we talk about security. And it's often the case that when I'm teaching a course in security, a topic that I'll be talking about one day becomes the subject of national or international media coverage the next day. And certainly we've done our share within our group to generate those types of stories. Some of the research that's come out of our research group here at the University of Florida has shown up in those national and international venues. Now, my research focuses on the security of computer systems. So basically, in a nutshell, what I try to do is look at issues of trustworthiness of data. How do we ensure data is generated in a trustworthy fashion? How do we ensure it's transmitted and that we can ensure its trustworthiness over its lifetime? And how do we ensure that users are able to access that data and use their computing platforms in a way that maintains their security and privacy? Now, within this broad area of interest with regards to computer system security, I've been fortunate in my research career to have done a lot of different things, from helping to write a report that went on to shape how voting is done in the United States, to developing solutions for storage that could protect itself against malicious adversaries, to writing recommendations for international regulators around the world on how to ensure that digital finance is secure for the most vulnerable populations, to talking with smartphone manufacturers about vulnerabilities that our research has found in their devices. So the work that we have done here at the University of Florida has tremendous technical impact, and it has tremendous broader impact as well. And it's perhaps for those reasons that the students that graduate from this group have become tremendously successful in their own careers. Some of my own advisees have gone on, they're current and future leaders in both academia as well as industry. Now, I came to the University of Florida in 2014, and since that time, this group has developed into one of the world's most preeminent, widely admired, and most prolific security research groups in the world. That doesn't happen on its own. That's part of a larger vision that we have for how this group should work. And we've been fortunate that the students and the faculty all see this vision and see that everybody is able to collaborate with everybody else. There are no barriers to working with whoever you want to work with. We encourage that. This is a place where collaboration is not just a buzzword, it's a lived reality for both faculty and students. And that's something we're immensely proud of. We're proud of the kind of community that we've created within our group where everybody helps when it comes to getting a paper out the door. It's one of those environments where everybody looks out for each other, and that's something that we've strived to build, and I think is one of the things that makes us unique. So if you're interested in developing your skills and becoming a world leader in areas from systems programming to embedded systems, to firmware analysis, to adversarial machine learning, to measurement, to mobile security, and if you've got the drive to see yourself blazing new trails in research, and if you want to see the work that you do have tremendous impact, then I would suggest that you come talk to us. I'd really be delighted to hear from you. And moreover, if you're interested in being at a place where you can actually focus on what matters to you, doing the work that you want to do, rather than having to focus on trying to get through the high cost of living or a harsh climate, then the University of Florida could really be for you. And I'd love to talk to you. We'd love to see you here in beautiful and sunny Gainesville, Florida. So please get in touch, and I hope to be seeing you here soon.